列和那水煮。
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to the new subscribers. So yeah, the support's great, I appreciate it. So today, relaxing on Jomtien beach. So and it's lovely, it's really cool. The sun's not directly out, it's cloudy, but the breeze, I mean, you know, look at that. It's lovely, it's really nice. So I had a little bit of a problem in the bathroom again, but this time not the toilet. So what happened was, every day there's a little bit more water on the floor, and a little bit more and a little bit more. So I opened the cupboard under the sink to see. I couldn't really see anything, so I was thinking, where the hell? At first it seemed like oil, and then I noticed it was getting more wet every day, to the point one day I wake up to go to the toilet, the whole floor was wet, and I'm like, oh my god, there's clearly a leak coming from somewhere, it must be the sink. So what I did was I called the lady, mom. Literally within the second day, her brother came out, had a look, called her and said, look, the tap's broken. I think it was like where it connects, we get the washer and all that sort of stuff. I think it's just all gone. He took it off and called her and said, look, basically it needs a new tap. So it's been 2 hours. You know, bought this tap and then they had to go and get something else and come back, and eventually they fixed it. So now there's nothing at all. You know, when you have a shower, it just dries in 10 minutes, which is great. But what concerned me was there's still a little bit of a problem with the toilet. I've asked a couple of times now, it needs fixing. Still haven't done it. So what happened was, the last bill, I said, look, I'm sorry mum, I'm only paying half this water because it's too much and it needs fixing. But she was good, absolutely brilliant. So there, that's fine, no problem, not a problem. Even paying half's too much, but at least she was willing to do a bit as well, so I'm not really going to complain about that too much. So I was a bit worried because now the tap was leaking. So I got the bill, this time it was 800 baht. So it could have been probably a lot less if I never had the leak with the sink. So the toilet is better, but it's still not how it should be, but hey, it is what it is, there's not much I can do about it. I'm be coming out of there soon because it's up for sale. See now, I was paying on each month, like on the 13th, well, the 13th song run. So I think what I'll probably do is have a chat with her and have this other one that I showed you in the previous video, the one for 13,000 baht. Probably move out on the 12th because I'd rather do it the day before, not doing it on song run, because I'm actually looking forward to that. So yeah, yeah, and that's about it really. I'm just getting ready to start packing soon. find a new laundrette around there, or even if it's got their own washing machines, because this condo's got quite a big balcony, so I might buy one of them stands, so we might be able to do our own washing, which would be great. That'd be brilliant, which I'd rather do, you know. So the other thing with this other condo, she's saying she'll do a contract for 6 months, because I've already been here 6 months on the yearly one she did, so she's going to have to do a new one, because obviously I'm going to be in a different condo, which is what I want. Yeah, I want it all done properly. It's like what I said before about, you know, doing these extension and border runs. I know you can be denied, but so far, touch wood for me, it's worked out okay. But the one thing I will say is that I've broken no law, broken no rules in Thailand. I've never once overstayed on my visa, not one time. I always do it a day or 2 days before the last day on the stamp is, which I think is the best way and the right way to do it, guys. So whoever decide you want to be here for however long, you know, my advice to you is that just abide by the rules. Don't overstay, because it will cause you a problem, because it will keep it on the system, and they'll have it on record, even if it's only 1 day. A lot of us might think, well, I don't mind, it'll be alright, it's only 1 day. Well, it's still not look good, because once you've done it, you know, there's potential that it could happen again and again. So for me, like I said, I've never ever overstayed 1 day, not even if it costs 500 baht. It's not about the money, it's about, you know, the record on the system. So just want it to be 100%, so don't have any issues and don't have any problems. They could see that I'll stick to the rules and the law, and it just looks good for me. So yeah, I hope everyone, hope you're all good. It's definitely coming out of high season now, for sure. I mean, there's people around. But yeah, it's definitely a lot quieter. Yeah, so just up there. I mean, I'll make another video when I'm at the swimming pool. So you get to see what a swimming pool's like. Not very big, but it's good enough. Yeah, I should really use it a lot more, because it's getting quiet now. Hardly anyone's using it, so I've got a whole pool to myself. So yeah, guys, thanks for everything. Thanks for your support. Yeah, please like, subscribe to the channel, let it grow. Hoping that I'll get to meet other YouTubers at some point. But yeah, so you stay safe, keep it real, and peace. See you in the next one.